Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Now one of the things I like eating regularly is a roast chicken. Well, I don't eat the whole thing, but it is not only tasty, it also controls calories compared to having dal, chawal, sabzi, fish, something fried. So this always works out well, and I'm going to make it a little spicy, but the spices will not necessarily be Indian. Let's start with the marination. Crushed garlic, generous amount of dried oregano, chili flakes according to your taste, generous amount of crushed pepper, generous amount of lemon juice, a little bit of vinegar, and a generous amount of olive oil, and some salt to taste. It's a big chicken. Whip it up. Now I'm going to add the marination into the chicken. Preheat your oven at 200 degrees for about 10 minutes and keep the mode on bake. It's now ready to bake. Tie up the legs with a thread. Now this goes in for 1 hour on bake at 200 degrees. Bake for 1 hour at 200. After that, we remove the foil. So 1 hour is over, and I'm going to take the chicken out and remove the foil and put it back in. Be careful because it's hot. And before I broil, I'm going to add some mini sausages. Now without the foil, I'm going to put it back in and broil it for about 20 minutes. Broil means only the top part of the heating in the oven will be on. Now for broiling, I'm going to turn the knob to this side, which is heating only on top. That's what broiling means. And I'm going to keep it a little higher than 200, and I will time it to about 11 minutes. And then I'm going to keep shaking on it because I want the top to be crispy. I just boiled these potatoes with skin, and I'm going to make a rosemary potato out of it by stir frying. A little potato compared to lots of rice and lots of roti is a cakewalk. Go for it. I'm going to add a little salt, a little pepper, some dried rosemary herbs, and a dash of olive oil. In the meantime, I'm going to blanch some veggies. I've just taken some beans and carrots. Basically, parboil it for about a minute before we stir fry it in some butter. Some pepper, a little bit of salt to taste. add a little butter and add these marinated potatoes. My chicken is ready and the skin is crispy, and I'm going to just let it rest for about 5-10 minutes before I carve it.